Good morning. Now in the chapter work and energy we can look at topic potential energy. For a conservative force, the work done depends only on the end points, starting point and the end point. That is WFI is equal to integral Ri to Rf F dot dr. This relation we already learned. For such a force, the line integral F dot dr vanishes over the closed path since Ri is equal to Rf. Closed path means initial and final points are the same. So Ri is Rf, Ri is equal to Rf, then final limit minus upper limit minus lower limit F dot dr will vanish. That is closed integral F dot dr is equal to 0. Then the components of F are the derivatives of a scalar function. F can be written as the derivative of a scalar function. This function u is denoted as u x y z. That is fx component of f along the x-axis, fx equal to minus dou u by dou x, fy is equal to minus dou u by dou y, and fz is equal to minus dou u by dou z. Partial derivatives. This dou stands for partial derivative. Okay. Then we can prove this. According to Stokes' theorem, the line integral can be converted into surface integral by means of closed integral. This is line integral F dot dr is equal to surface integral of del cross F. This del cross is an operator curl. Del cross means curl operator, curl of F dot ds, which is equal to 0. Evidently del cross F is equal to 0. For any arbitrary surface we can write del cross F is equal to 0. If the curl is 0, we have a property that curl of a gradient of a scalar function is equal to 0. Since del cross F is equal to 0, F can be written as a gradient of a scalar function. That is F is equal to del u. But mathematically del u requires a minus sign also. F is equal to minus del u. That is force is the negative gradient of potential. It is Ifx plus Jfy plus Kfz is equal to minus I dou u by dou x. This is the gradient function, minus I dou by dou x minus j dou by dou y minus k dou by dou z of u. That is the gradient's expansion. This is an operator del or gradient. Gradient means minus this minus. Otherwise there will not be a minus sign. Del is equal to I dou by dou x plus j dou by dou y plus k dou by dou z. But here a negative sign is already there. Therefore I fx plus j fy plus k fz is equal to minus I dou u by dou x minus j dou u by dou y minus k dou u by dou z. That is comparing the coefficients of I, j, k. We can have fx equal to minus dou u by dou x, fy is equal to minus dou u by dou y, and fz is equal to minus dou u by dou z. Thus we can derive that f is the negative gradient of potential. Then f dot dr, in place of f we can write I dou u by dou x minus j dou u by dou y minus k dou u by dou z. Dot dr, components of dr, dxi plus dyj plus dzk. Then f dot dr, dot product I dot I only will exist. I dot I is equal to 1, j dot j equal to 1, and k dot k is equal to 1. All other dot products will vanish as they are mutually perpendicular. I, j, k are mutually perpendicular vectors. F dot dr is equal to minus dou u by dou x dx minus dou u by dou y dy minus dou u by dou z dz. Or f dot dr is equal to minus du. Using this, the work done Wfy can be written as integral from Ri to Rf f dot dr. In place of f dot dr, we can write integral from Ri to Rf minus du. F dot dr is equal to minus du. F dot dr is equal to minus u. WFi is equal to Ri to Rf F dot dr is equal to u within the limits Ri to Rf. That is WFi is equal to u Ri minus UFi. Upper limit minus lower limit. Simply WFi is equal to ui minus uf. This scalar function, that is uxyz, associated with the conservative force is called potential energy. From this equation we can state another important law, that is the conservation of energy. Already we have work energy theorem state that WFi is equal to kF minus Ka. Here we got WFi is equal to ui minus uf. Then we can equate both the equations. Ui minus uf is equal to kf minus ki, or ki plus ui is equal to kf plus uf. Ki stands for kinetic energy, that is half mvi square, plus ui is equal to half mvf square plus uf. That is, energy is conserved. When the force is conservative, the total energy is constant, and this is the law of conservation of energy. Thank you.